Good day everyone, I am Ashley Angelica M. Kalipay, and to continue, let's move forward on describing the importance of a high quality information flow between the guests and the hotel or establishment. So delivering information is important in any workplace, but some believe it is the most important quality of a hotel manager. As a hotel manager, it is important that you can clearly communicate with guests and other members of the staff. This high quality information flow is the reflection of how we interact with our guests. Having strong information flows in place makes it possible to overcome challenges, so employees can stay aligned on business goals, make more informed decisions, and work smarter, not harder. Excellent communication skills can enhance a guest experience as it shows that you are really listening to them, valuing their feedback, and conveying clear messages. This can lead to a customer loyalty, increased business, and eventually the hotel becoming more successful. Listen to your employees. These are the ones who are dealing with the guests on a day-to-day basis. Let us say that listening is different from hearing. It is easy to hear but not to listen. When we really listen, we understand what the other person is saying and react in a meaningful manner. High quality information flow. So let's move on the tips for improving information flow. So if you answered yes to any of the above questions, then you maybe have the knowledge of management and information flow problems in your organization. Luckily, we have some tired and true tips for how to improve communication and collaboration. First, create a culture of open communication and transparency. So, what do we mean by this? Strong company culture is based on transparency, and so are the information flows. Employees are more engaged when they are well informed, so it is important to foster two-way communication between employees and leadership, having an open door policy and staying transparent. So next is connect message to mission. Make your company's values and mission clear to the employees and ensure all messages ties back to them. When all employees are assigned with leaders in their understanding of company's goals, they will be able to work toward reaching them together. And last is improve access to critical business tool. So as more employees than ever work remotely, it is crucial that they have the access to the applications, systems, and software of their organization that relies on to do the business. Without this, your team will be left dealing with the bottlenecks and frustrations that could be solved with the proper information flows. So, understanding guest needs. ICT to understand the guest needs. So, social media. Social media is the means of interactions among people in which they create, share, and or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks. So, some of the examples that we people nowadays use are the is the that we use nowadays is Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Pinterest, and many more. So now let's move on using information and ICT to understand the guest needs and using the information as our guide to meet these needs. So no one can deny naman the fact that IT or information technology is the backbone of almost every 21st century business. And this widespread use of IT wouldn't have been possible without the presence of course, the IT service industry. So, for instance, individuals can speak progressively with others in various nations utilizing communication technologies. For example, texting, voice over, and video conferencing. So, social networking websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Skype, and many more allow users all over the world to stay in contact and communicate constantly. ICT considers every employment of advanced innovation that as of now exists to help people, organizations, and associations to use data. ICT covers any item that will store, recover, control, transmit, and get data electronically in an advanced structure. So the ideas, techniques, and applications included in ICT are constantly evolving on a daily basis.